is Medicare Part B free? Let's just say, is Medicare in general free? A lot of people think when they reach retirement, since they've been paying FICA out of their paycheck their entire life, they see that little line item for Medicare taxes that Medicare's free. Don't shoot the messenger. Medicare is not free. But I have a friend and she doesn't pay anything. That is true. If your income is low enough, you might actually get Medicare subsidized and it might not cost you anything. But the vast majority of people will pay for Medicare when they reach retirement. And for Medicare, that age is still 65. I know if you've been following me, you know that the Social Security age is not 65, full retirement age. But Medicare has not changed. It is still 65. So let's talk about the cost of Medicare Part B. If you're getting ready to go on Medicare, we'll talk about that. Or if you're already on Medicare and you're thinking, what? It's going to go up? Yeah, it goes up every year. So it is not free for the majority of people. This is the really, really, really bad news that I will skip to first. Because I don't like all that clickbaity stuff. Stay tuned till the end when I tell you what you really think. I don't like to do that. Medicare Part B. Now there's Part D for drugs too. It's another whole chart, another whole monthly cost. I'm not going into that. B is the big one. The average person in 2022 pays $170.10 a month. That's the average person. And that comprises about 90% of people that are on Medicare. If you're getting ready to go on Medicare for the remainder of 2022, that's what you can expect. How much you actually pay for your Medicare is based on how much you earned 2 years prior. You're like, what? Yeah. They recalculate how much you pay for Medicare every year based on your modified adjusted gross income on your taxes from 2 years prior. So if 2 years ago, you as an individual made less than $91,000, you're going to pay the average, which is $170 a month. But if you made over $91,000, you made $1 over, you are going to pay $238 a month. Again, you'll also pay more for Part D. Now that's as an individual. If you're married, you have your married charts here. You might want to freeze the screen and take a screenshot of this. But these are the numbers for 2022. The numbers for next year will come out probably in November of this year. And these all just edge up a little bit. Like this top number, 91,000, last year it was about 88,000. So it's going to go up a couple thousand. With inflation, it might not go up that much. Who knows what they're going to do. But anyway, you can see that the average person pays $170 a month, but some people pay over $200, some people pay over $300, some pay over $400. The top person pays almost $600 a month for Medicare Part B. Those people are really shocked. And I always say, well, congratulations, you're a high earner. And they're like, no, I was a high earner 2 years ago. Now I'm not. If you get one of these surcharges and you feel that it's not fair, call us at the Medicare Family. We can help you file an appeal with Medicare. There are certain things that would qualify you to get that lowered. Even though it just sounds easy, we're about 50-50 with people actually appealing that and getting it lowered. The good news is you pay that for 1 year. This is 1 year at a time. Next year, they look at your income from the 2 years prior and figure out how much you're going to pay. So not only is Medicare Part B not free, but you might pay a lot more than what you were expecting. Now, this is just a great fun video. I hope you're sitting on the couch here because I don't want you to have to fall over. But Medicare Part B goes up every year. Now, this is shocking to people that just went on Medicare. They've been on Medicare for the first time. And they're like, $170 a month, it's more than I expected, but I can make it work. They don't expect that it's going to go up a lot every year for the rest of their life. Let's look at the historical chart of how much Medicare Part B has gone up. So this shows if you go back to 2010, it was $111. Again, for 90% of the people on Medicare Part B. And then by 2016, it was $122. Not that big of an increase. But those were also really good years, low inflation. 2021, it was $149. 2022, it jumped 14.5% to $170. That was an astronomical jump. I don't have a crystal ball, but I see all the inflation numbers, and I'm suspecting that 2023 is going to be another astronomical jump. Now, your income's set, you're retired. Most people have a very fixed income. So you are taking a big bite out of your Social Security every year with your Medicare Part B. So let's flip this and let's talk about the people that might get Medicare for free. They get some assistance from their Medicare Part B. And those are people that have applied for the Medicare Savings Program. The Medicare Savings Program is to help low-income seniors pay for Medicare Part B. So you can either call us at the Medicare Family and we can help you apply, or you can try to do it alone. Google Medicare Savings Program and in your state, Oregon. You're going to apply through your state. It's based on your income and your assets. So if you qualify, you might get reduced Medicare Part B, or you might get it for free. Like I said, the majority of people are paying for Medicare Part B, and they're all paying the same amount. You might be lucky where you do get it free, or you might be unlucky where you're paying way, 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 way more than the average person. Again, this is looked at again every year. It's readjusted. If you have more questions about Medicare Part B, on the MedicareFamily.com on our website, I have some great videos that can explain more about how to sign up for Medicare, how we help you if you're getting ready to sign up for Medicare Part B, and what to expect. If you go to our website here, there's a great video if you're getting ready to go on Medicare. And if you need to schedule an appointment, it's up here somewhere. You can click right there, schedule an appointment. We don't charge you for our consultations. It's free. We don't charge you if you work with us. The price is already baked into whatever insurance plan that you need. If you just want advice about Medicare Part B, there's nothing to sell you and we don't get paid. We're just a resource that can help you. We work in all 50 states. So if you are confused about this, don't be embarrassed. Everybody is, but we're here to help. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.